Start picking up the leaves, and then I'm just going to place, bend this a little bit and start taping. This is 3 leaves, so it's very simple. Just go around once, tighten it up, bending a bit, keep space for 3, bend it a bit. So we could just keep it open in the spray, because Bougainvillea in real is like you have different types, like they could be closed or they could be open. So once you have all the 3 petals gone, and tape it down fully. Okay, so that will be just the one flower. So you could kind of open it up as well, and you will still have the choice of bending the wire a bit, and kind of give some movement to each of the flower. Okay, and then the center also you could just open up, not too much, but I'm just saying you could just also open up, so it doesn't have to stick together. And once the gel with the vodka is all dried up, then it will be easy enough for you to just keep moving. Okay, so that will be one Bougainvillea flower. Okay, the colors just gotten a bit lighter than the ones that I had made and kept already. So I'm just going to, so when you're going to do with the color that you have in the portion, that will just be the same for all the flowers that you will do. And I have quite a few made already. So Bougainvillea is just not this one flower, right? It is just a bunch of a few numbers together. So I'm just going to show you how you could just bunch them together. I have the tape again. I'm just going to start with one. I'll keep them aside and then pick one by one as I need. I'm just going to come down a little bit and then bend this a bit. So the wire will be together, but the flowers will just be a little away. So I'm just trying to keep the places where I just see the stem or the wire. You could just go down a little bit, keep going down also. So there is space here. I'm just going to place it. With bend. I'm just going to come down a little bit. Place one more. This is just one way of taping it. You could also keep them one below the other, like there could be one here and the second one here and the third one here, and you could just change the positions and then keep taping them one below the other as well, and have a longer spray. So it depends on how you want to use it on your cake, whether it is going to be like a single flower, like a filler flower, that also can be used, or then it could be like a bunch. Without these two, like a bunch also is a good addition, like one flower, it will go on the cake. And you could also have like these, like one here and then second one here and third one here, and that will go like a vine around on the cake. So the arrangement is like in the way we want and how it is going to suit the cake. So we have a bunch of Bougainvilleas made, and here we come to the end of this lesson. I will catch you up in the next one.